In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to italicize text in Microsoft Word 365. Italics are a simple but powerful way to make your writing clearer. Whether you're emphasizing a word, styling a quote, or formatting the title of a book or article. Let's start by opening Microsoft Word 365 and loading the document where you want to make changes. Once your document is open and visible, you're ready to go. If you've already typed your content, highlight the text you want to italicize by clicking and dragging over it. Double-clicking selects a single word, and triple-clicking selects a whole paragraph, which can be handy. If you haven't typed the text yet, you can turn italics on first and then begin typing, so everything you enter appears italicized automatically. The most visual way to apply italics is right from the ribbon. Go to the Home tab at the top of the window. In the font group, you'll see the Italic button, represented by a slanted I. Click it once to apply italics to your selected text. If you're about to type, clicking it will keep italics on until you click it again to turn them off. You'll see the change immediately in your document. If you prefer speed, use the keyboard shortcut. On Windows, press Ctrl+I. On a Mac, press Command+I. This shortcut toggles italics on and off, so you can tap it once to apply italics and tap it again to remove them. It works the same whether you have text selected or you're typing new text. For a more nuanced look, you can explore italic styles available in different fonts. Some fonts include a true italic cut, while others offer an oblique style, which is a slanted version of the regular font. To check these options, open the Font dialog box by clicking the small arrow in the bottom right corner of the font group on the Home tab. In the dialog, choose a font and select the italic or oblique style to see how it changes the appearance. Not every font supports true italics, so the preview is helpful before you commit. Finally, think about when italics add the most value. Use them to emphasize key words to format titles of books, films, and articles, or to make short quotes stand out. They can also give headings a subtle, stylish variation. For readability, avoid italicizing long blocks of text and try to be consistent throughout your document. That's all you need to confidently use italics in Word 365. Practice these methods, and you'll be formatting with precision in no time.